I now give the floor to United Nations Watch.
Thank you, Mr. President. UN Watch welcomes the delegation of Eswatini. We recognize the progress being made by Eswatini, especially on their growing respect for freedom of expression and investigations into allegations of excessive force by security forces. However, we remain concerned about limited political rights and the excessive use of force, which are contributing to the deteriorating human rights situation in the country. First, according to Freedom House, Eswatini has one of the lowest possible scores in the realm of political rights. As the last standing monarchy in Africa, the people of Eswatini continue to protest for the implementation of democratic institutions but are met with state-sanctioned violence. Last June, pro-democracy protesters were reportedly assaulted. The Human Rights Commission's preliminary report stated that 46 people were killed, suggesting the actual number could be higher. Second, Eswatini continues to uphold its Criminal Procedure and Evidence Act, which gives police officers discretion to determine when it is appropriate to use force. Given the concerning trend of state-sanctioned violence, we remain concerned that internal investigations into misconduct and excessive force are insufficient to address this issue. The violence unleashed on civilians by government forces during ongoing political unrest is both unjust and a violation of international human rights obligations. The human rights situation is deteriorating sharply in Eswatini, as the government negates constitutional provisions and uses legal instruments to crush those who call for democratic reform. We therefore urge the government to align itself with the recommendations from this report and strengthen its human rights protection mechanisms. I thank you.
Thank you.